Hola amigos, welcome back! In today's video, we'll be practicing Spanish food vocabulary. Super useful for your next trip to a Spanish-speaking country or your local taqueria. This beginner-friendly quiz will show you English food words and you'll have to choose the correct Spanish translation out of 3 options. You'll have 5 seconds to guess the correct answer, but feel free to pause the video if you need more time. Are you ready to spice up your Spanish vocabulary? Vamos a empezar. Let's begin. You'll be just peachy if you get this right. Durazno. Plum out of ideas? Here's an easy one. Ciruela. I cannot believe how orange this veggie is. Zanahoria. Be prepared for this sweet challenge. Miel. Don't be mean to these beans. Lentejas. Don't let your brain melt on this juicy one. Sandia. I'm gonna go out on a limb and say you know this grain. Trigo. Ring a bell? It should. Pimiento. Are you coconuts enough to know this one? Coco. Stock your memory for this pointy veggie. Espárrago. Time flies, but these grow on trees. Dátiles. Remain calm and guess this salad star. Lechuga. Go bananas for this curved yellow fruit. Plátano. The fruit, not the color. Or is it? Naranja. Don't be a couch potato. Guess this tuber. Papa. Very interesting question coming up. Arandanococo. Stock your brain for this crunchy veggie. Apio. Let's tango with this tropical fruit. Mango. The cherry on top of our fruit questions. Cereza. Squash your doubts and guess this green veggie. Calabacín. Don't be shellfish. Share your answer. Camarón. Sweet. Here's an easy one. azúcar. Go nuts for this healthy snack. Almendra. Don't let the seeds of doubt stop you. Granada. Why not try guessing this fruit? Uvas. Wise up! This herb is next. Salvia. Which came first, the chicken or this word? Huevo. No big deal. Just guess this herb. Eneldo. Cool as a... well, I think you know. Pepino. Don't blow a raspberry, just guess. Frambuesa. Great job on today's Spanish food quiz. I hope you learned some tasty new vocabulary. If you enjoyed this video and want more Spanish language content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. What food words would you like to learn next? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and remember, learning a language is a journey, so keep practicing. Hasta la próxima. See you next time